Hello viewers, this is Casey Sharp, where we turn drafting skills into income. In today's section, we are going to talk about how to set up your unit, how to set up your limit, and how to set up your scale. At first, we are going to understand the reason why we should set up our unit, our limit, and our scale before starting up our drawing. Unit is the most important basic setting that we all should know in AutoCAD. For instance, we want to draw a line. Each measurement is to be given to a line in a specific length. That is either in kilometer, is either in feet, or is either in meters, depending on how you want to do your drawing. So at first, you type in unit, type unit in your unit command. Now it will bring you here. This is length, this is angle. Under this length, you type in here, you can see architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientific. Leave it in decimal. Precision 0, 0.0, 0.001. We are choosing 0.00. Now this angle, leave it in this particular one, which is the first one. Leave it there. Let our precision remain 0. Don't touch it. Now you come down here, you say unit to scale inserted content. You click on it. It's now telling you to choose how you want to do your drawing, whether it's in inches, whether it's in feet, whether it's in millimeter, centimeter, and all the rest. So we are making use of millimeter. Then click OK. By so doing, we are able to set up our unit. We are able to set up our units. So the next step that we are going to choose, or we are going to set up now, is how to set up our limit. Why the limit is to be done. To draw drawing in a particular area, that is if the length of the drawing to be drawn is 10 millimeter in length and 10 millimeter in width, then we should set that area. For that purpose, we should set our limit. Or you type limit, now if you check very well here, it's telling you specify lower left corner. The lower left corner is talking about is here. So we are going to type 0, 0. Set enter. Now the next step is telling you specify upper right corner. The upper right is talking about is this area. So we are going to make use of 200, 200. Say enter. So by so doing, we are able to set up our units, and also we are able to set up our limits. So the next phase we are going to set up is how to set our scale. So setting up our scale is something that we have to come down here. As you can see my cursor and see where my arrow is pointing. Where my arrow is pointing, set annotation scale of the current view. You click on it. Here is the scale sizes. This 1:1 means if you are doing a small drawing, leave it in 1:1. But if you are doing a bigger drawing, you can choose 1:2, 1:4, 1:10, depending on the type of or the size of drawing that you want to do. But I'm making use of 1:1. I'm leaving it there. So this is how to set up your units, this is how to set up your limit, and also this is how to set up your scale. If you are serious about mastering AutoCAD and making money with it, please subscribe. I post practical tutorials every week. Thank you and see you in the next video.